Okay, listen. You guys, I need better options for gluing down my wigs. Literally, I need better options because Got2b is the devil. And here's why. I have never been so embarrassed in my life. In my life. I have never been so embarrassed. Like, Got2b has let me down for the last time. Let me show y'all right now which Got2b I use, okay? I have this one. I have this one. And I also have the black one, which I don't know where it's at right now. I use this most of the time. Most of the time. Now, I'm at work, okay? So this is a story time. Let's make it into a story time. I'm at work. Now, at work, I'm standing the whole time, walking around, helping customers, all that. Literally. Literally. So, this whole, I'm pretty sure I walked around a good 2-3 hours before I went on my break. And that's when I realized my wig is sitting like right here with half my braids out. And I'm telling you guys, I'm pretty sure it was like that for a good 3 hours, 2-3 hours. I'm like, yo, I was so pissed because that means I was really walking around talking to mad people, trying to help people out. If you know where I work, I'm not gonna tell you where I work, but where I work, like, I have to walk around and help mad people, like, through the self-serve area, whatever. That means I spoke to almost, actually I speak to a lot of people during the day at my job. All those people, and not one person told me my wig is freaking sitting in the middle of my head. Cause my Got2b has, I don't know what the hell happened. My Got2b just came off magically. Mind you, this, I always use Got2b, but I got so embarrassed that day. I don't know what to do. Like, I have to look for a new one. Like, I have to look for a new one, and I haven't been able to find a good like lace glue in so long. And I'm not gonna use bold hold because I really like to remove my wigs every night. Like, I don't go to sleep with my wigs, so I can't even use bold hold. So don't even say that. If you know a good alternative to using Got2b, please let me know. Please let me know because I am tired. I'm tired, and I was so pissed that day. That also means my coworkers ain't tell me my wig is sitting right here either. Like what? Yo, I was so pissed. When I tell you I was sitting in the back room on my break, like, I got sad because shit like that just not supposed to be happening, you know? Like, it's not supposed to be happening. Like, I had so much hope in Got2b glue till that day, and I just couldn't do it anymore. I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. Earlier that day, I used this to put on my lace glue, and then I used the black, like, I laid down the black Got2b first, the clear one. I really can't find it. I laid that down first on my like right around my edges. Then I waited like 2-3 minutes, and then I sprayed this, and then like this takes like 2 seconds to dry down. So I put my lace over it and tied it with a scarf. So I do the normal thing you're supposed to do, okay? So it's not like I did it the wrong way. No, I did it the right way. I was just so embarrassed. Like, just thinking about it's getting on my nerves. When I came back out from break, I fixed my wig, but like, it really wasn't laid down. I just tucked like a piece behind my ear so it could stay in place. But like, for a fact, like, if anyone touched that wig, it would have flew off, you know? It would have flew off. But like I said, it's not like I did it wrong, so I don't want to hear nobody telling me like, oh, I didn't do it the right way. I did it the right way. Like, I did it the right way. This Got2b just gave me no hope. So like right now I have Got2b on, but even this I feel it like slowly rising back. Like I literally, it's moving back. I feel it. Doesn't matter. I need to find something better to use. So if you know any better alternatives, drop that in the comments, okay? Drop that in the comments. And follow me on my social media. You can write me there as well if you have any better alternatives. I answer all questions, all DMs. So write me. And I guess that would be all. And if you like this makeup that I have on my face, you can check out my Instagram. I believe it's only gonna go up on my Instagram. I don't think I'm gonna put it up on YouTube. I'm probably not gonna put it up on YouTube, but yeah, check my Instagram and it will be there. Follow me on Instagram. And I think I'm done rambling. That was mad embarrassing. Anyway, like I said, subscribe. Bye guys.